Hello. It is Monday, August 18th. It is currently 10:43 a.m. and I am headed
right
to
onto Eastland Avenue.
Okay, Siri girl, just interrupt my video. I am on my way to visit this mobile home in King Street that is for sale. Super excited about this one because this is a double wide. So as soon as I get there, I will show y'all how it looks. It's crazy because this was a buyer who was interested in my last mobile home in King Street, and he hit me. He was like, I see y'all buy mobile homes. He was like, I see y'all sell mobile homes, but do y'all buy mobile homes too? And I was like, yeah, you got one for sale? He was like, yeah, one in King Street, a double wide. So I'm like, yes, I love that. So I'm about to go see that. This morning I had jury duty, but we were all excused. So grateful because I was like, Lord knows the last thing I want to be doing right now is in court all day. But it's crazy because when I got there and I realized it was for a criminal case, I'm like, dang man, I actually want to do this. But the judge was like, we've actually settled this, so all of y'all are excused. So about to go see this mobile home. After I do that, I am going to a mobile home renovation because I have to get some measurements, count some things so we can get the rest of the materials, and yeah, that's about it. After that, I gotta go to Sumter to see a mobile home that is for sale. So I'm gonna be in my car a whole lot today. I am sitting here and I'm not gonna hold y'all. I am just so grateful. I prayed to God real hard when I got back into this. I'm like, God, I want a different experience than what I had 2 years ago. And it's been great. And I can attest that it's because, like, I've slowed down. I'm more confident. I'm more bold. And it just is what it is. I know what I'm doing. I operate in transparency. I don't sell nobody no fake dreams. Like, it's... Everything is a-okay. So yeah, I'll give y'all a little bit more updates later. Or matter of fact, the next thing I'll show you is this home that's for sale. So stay tuned. Okay.
But Nick's in the air conditioner works and all that. But go ahead, and Nick will walk you through that if you don't mind.
Yep, that's fine.
Hey Nick, and he moves. He's a mover.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how long do they have to move it off the property?
No time limit.
No time limit?
I would say about a month and a half. You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha. 30 to 45.
Like I said, you need to ask Kip on that stuff.
Okay,
Yes, bath. You from Charleston too?
I'm from King Street.
King Street, oh.
So right down the street. Okay. And the floor seemed pretty solid.
Yeah, I mean the house seems pretty solid. I mean it's got that one bad spot up there. Which one is really big? What it is.
Okay, it's solid too.
Yeah.
I guess yeah. We're gonna get this sold.
Thank you, ma'am.
Absolutely. I got a woman who just bought a mobile home for me and she wants to move it from King Street to St. Stephen.
Yes, ma'am.
I can send you like the address and you can kind of give me a quote because she's been shopping around trying to find somebody affordable. But she got 60 days to move the mobile home.
If you I'll give you my phone number.
Yeah.
It's 843. Single wide.
Yes, sir. Single wide is 14 by. It does.
All right.
It's I think it's 14 by 77.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Y'all have a good one. That house, oh my Lord, that house was good as stink. I got out of there so fast, extremely fast, because I could not. It has potential though. It's a couple of things wrong with it. It's like 2 little spots in the roof or whatever. And once they clean it out, fix it up, it'll be fine. But it's honestly just slack. Okay, I have my tape measure. I do not take myself seriously. But I just got 2 mobile home project. I have to measure vents. I have to get the sizing for the blinds. And I need to count the light covers. So let's get this done.
Time will bring the real end about your eye. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty, game was so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. Cause the remedy, I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly.
A good used one. Yeah. So what I want to know is, okay, so sometimes when I sell people mobile homes, I might sell them, they might be $10,000 or it might be $15,000.
That 10 sound good.
The 10?
That 10 sound good.
Okay, so the thing is though, if I find you a mobile home, let's just say it's $10,000, it's probably gonna need some work done to it.
Yeah, because I've been praying and asking the Lord to try to help me. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, but
I don't feel like it's gonna be no issue selling your mobile home. My problem is I want to help you find something that you can buy, because I don't want you to sell this and then you don't got no place to go.
oh yeah,
You get what I'm saying?
Y'all,
Oh, okay, so you got land someplace else.
y'all got my land on Winnie. I'm gonna see you. I work all my life. I'm gonna see you.
Your laundry room right here?
Yeah, go back in there. That door, that laundry room right there.
Okay. You gonna keep your wash machine and dry?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that.
Okay. I don't blame you. I'm just asking. I gotta make sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my wash and dry.
All right. Let me go back here one more time.
Okay, go ahead. Figure out how to help me. Figure out how to help me. I be gone. She trying to figure out how to help me.
Today is Tuesday, August 19th. I am currently waiting on my buyer and seller. We are closing the deal today, so I'm super excited about that. I'm not gonna hold you. I was a little worried about this deal because it was a whole lot of back and forth, but like I've said time and time again, it's just certain things that come with the territory of wholesaling mobile homes and investing in this business. And it's been a long time since I've been in the trenches, but you know, it don't take long to get that reminder of what it is and what it ain't. So I'm waiting on them. We're gonna give my buyer this folder. It has the bill of sale in it, and when the seller gets in with the title, I'll put the title in here as well, and then the HVAC warranty information, so she can just have all of her documents in one place. And yeah, that'll be a wrap. And just like that, the deal is done. Ah, thank you, God. Thank you, God. I promise you, if I did not have no relationship with God, there's no way I would make it in this business, because earlier this morning I was this close to losing it. I turned on my worship music, I prayed, I started confessing what I wanted to see, man, and it's currently 5:51 and the deal is done. Hello. Oh, God is so good. So today is the first day that the contractors are working on the mobile home, so I'm about to take this paint out my car and go check it out. Hey Quincy. Good. I know one thing, it's hot in here. Oh, you got your fan. You came prepared.
Yeah.
I'm bringing this paint here. I'll be right back.
Alright, dear.
Would you like to tell the people what you're doing?
Change out some receptacles, cutting some boxes.
Changing out some receptacles. I don't know what you're talking about, but okay. Oh, God. All right, Quincy, if you need something from me, just let me know.
I will.
All right, see you. Oh, it's hot. And these and that. Whew. He should be finished either today or tomorrow. But we don't know for sure. I ain't staying in there. I ain't lost nothing in there. I dropped off the paint. And now I'm headed home.